What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an exciting one. Today I may have a sad one. We're gonna be talking about 3 reasons why I'm Xing out, I'm crossing it out, I'm no longer getting the TRD lift kit from Toyota, and I'm going a different route. So if you're interested in this lift kit and you're on the edge, maybe this video will throw you off the edge of not getting it or push you a little bit closer to actually getting it. So before we start, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription if you haven't subscribed already. YouTube is really liking the like button right now. They're liking the like button. Yeah, that makes sense. Leave an early like, because for some reason, if you leave an early like, they will boost my video. Like, they will show it to other people, and if you show it to other people, then I can get this lift kit sooner. Without further ado, let's get into the #1 reason why I'm just not gonna get this lift kit. Now, when I first heard about this lift kit, I had already lifted my Toyota Tacoma. It was a quicksand. Well, it didn't convince me enough to swap out. Now I have a stock Tacoma that I can go whatever direction I would like to go, and I was really considering this TRD lift kit. It was like the best bang for your buck until I looked around and everybody was trying to steal my buck. Like, leave my buck alone. If you don't get what I'm saying, I looked around, I was trying to get quotes for what a TRD lift kit would cost me. Like, I was looking to do it ASAP, like this weekend. Nobody would give me a solid answer. Some people were trying to offer me wheels and tires, and that was the only way they would do it. Other people said they needed to get rid of my fog lights because I'd be lifted and I'd be pointing it at people. It's 2 inches. Even when I was lifted 3 inches in my girlfriend's Corolla, she couldn't see my fog lights or headlight. It just, I don't get it. People were quoting me from $2,000 all the way up to $3,500 from one Toyota. It was absolutely insane. So I just said, okay, well, I'll just keep my money and I'll do it elsewhere. With that being said, I looked for a lift kit. I found a shop, I messaged them. They didn't make it some super uncomfortable task. They just said, cool, we'll do it. In total, it came out to $1,500. But now, let's get to #2. Note to self, don't park in the dark right under the light because there are mosquitoes. The #2 reason is it's just not enough. If I was just building my truck for myself, if I was just building this truck to keep in my garage, to take it to work, to do whatever I needed, yes, I would just do that. I would just get the lift kit and call it a day. Because one, fine, I'll chalk up to $2,000, whatever, I'll get it done, and then it's covered under warranty. But for YouTube and what I want to do with this truck, it's just not enough. It's 2 inches in the front, a 1-inch block in the rear. That block is like $50, but of course they're going to charge you over the head for it. It's just not enough for the tires that I want to stuff underneath this truck. I know for a fact, for the wheel setup that I want to go with, it won't work. I want to go with a very specific wheel setup, very wide wheels and a very negative offset. It just wouldn't work. So it wouldn't be enough in the front. I would have to do a cab mount chop. I'm not doing that. I would need to do the Viper cut. I'm not doing that. And it's just so much more stuff that comes with it. I'm gonna spend more money and be restricted on what I can do. And then if I wanna do more doo-doo, I'm kidding, I'm so sorry. If I wanna do more, I wouldn't be able to because I'd have to chop more, spend more money, I'd have to cut more, lose my warranty, all for what? Just to say I have a TRD lift kit. Of course, you always have to plan ahead. You need to know what your end goal is, because if you start building a house expecting it's just gonna be you, the next day you go to pick up some lumber, you might find a little lady that you like, and then the next day your little lady turns into a little lady and a child, and you built a house with the 1 bedroom. You get what I'm saying. Definitely plan ahead. If you want to add weight in the back, you don't want that little block back there because it's not enough. So there's a lot that goes into it, and it's not where I want to be on my truck in the end, if that makes any sense. And last but not least, and I know someone in the comment section is yelling, screaming, begging for me to hear them on this, the warranty. Listen, bud, you had me sold. You got me in the first half and I was absolutely thrilled. I was like, okay, I'll do it. I'll 100% do it. Why wouldn't I? Now, if you look a little bit further into the details of the Toyota warranty, it's really not all that great. Now, if you get it from the factory, you get 3 years or 36,000 miles. But if you get it aftermarket, meaning you go to your dealership and ask them for it, you get 1 year or 12,000 miles, whichever comes first. I had my last lift kit done around 10 to 12,000 miles. I can't remember, but then I put like 10,000 miles on after the lift kit. So I didn't have any problems that were caused by the lift kit, only problems caused by the people that installed the lift kit, which was me and my dad. The lift kit itself did not cause any problems. So what I'm trying to say is it's not worth the warranty. Obviously Toyota offers it as a safety net, some type of comfort for you to put it over the other people because they know. But if you know, you know. And what I'm trying to say by that is if you know lift kits, there's usually nothing major that goes wrong coming from a lift kit, at least nothing that I've heard of. I don't see any problems coming from it, especially because this time I'm just gonna take it to a shop to have them do the lift kit. I've already talked to them, I already checked it out, and it's gonna work out. So yeah, those are my 3 reasons. Number 1, the price is crazy. They're trying to charge you an arm, a leg, and 3 of your favorite toes, and then it wouldn't even be enough for what I wanted. Again, if I was just gonna drive it around the neighborhood, call it a day, then I would, but for the build that I'm going for, I need more. And last but not least, the warranty. The warranty just doesn't sell me enough. Maybe if I had a bad experience with my last truck, the lift kit wasn't installed right or something went crazy, then yeah, I'd be all over it. Let me not jinx myself, because I would really regret making this video. Nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, let me know down in the comment section how crazy and how bad of a decision I am making, because I'm sure people are gonna let me know. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.